few years ago, we were experiencing some problems with our domestic hot water and our heating and cooling system. The boiler we had in place wasn't up to capacity for the number of systems requiring heat. Our suites were constantly running out of hot water. Our energy bills were significantly higher than they should have been, and we had no built-in redundancy if there was a failure. Being in the hospitality industry, that wasn't an issue that we could ignore. We were constantly trying to balance the needs of our guests with the high demands of our facility. We needed to find a better solution.
I was here on holidays and I noticed there were some issues with the hotel, specifically in regards to the hot water. So I made a point of trying to reach out to Don and talk to him about what I saw, because I thought there might be some problems that we could help with, and sure enough there were. So after a few meetings and working with the ownership group, we came up with a systematic plan to be able to identify and troubleshoot the problems. The result was fantastic, and from there we moved on to other issues with the air conditioning heating, and they had a really significant issue with redundancy in the boiler. So once those items were taken care of, I understand that guest complaints went down, energy costs went down, and their approval ratings went up.
We were very impressed by the work CustomAir did. They were able to complete the job on time and on budget without inconveniencing our guests. We also found 25% savings in our gas consumption rate. We ended up paying back our investment over this project within the first 9 months, without having to worry about whether the air conditioning is going to work in the summertime or the heat's going to work in the winter. It's made it a much more pleasant experience in dealing with our guests here at the resort, that's for sure. In the end, CustomAir demonstrated that the difference is service.